Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the account that stores travel logs. Use the device you normally carry. Enable location history and web and app activity. This captures timeline entries. Once done, make sure app permissions allow precise location and background access, otherwise new data won't record. If you have multiple accounts, switch to the correct profile now. You're setting the foundation so timeline data is complete and timestamped accurately, which prevents gaps when you proceed to view history. You open the timeline view and confirm the account at the top. Use the date picker to jump to a specific day or a custom range. Filters let you isolate driving versus walking or show only visited places. Once displayed, zoom and toggle satellite or street view to verify routes visually, and tap individual segments to see timestamps and stop durations. Make sure to check both device and web views. Sometimes one view shows richer detail than the other. You're ready to finalize. Export the selected range as KML, JSON, or CSV so you have an offline copy for records. Once exported, verify the file contents and save it to secure storage. If sharing, remove private stops first. If you find missing days, check sync status, confirm device clock and time zone, and ensure battery saver hasn't restricted location. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in. Then force a sync. This resolves most discrepancies and completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.